request.
If you, can you give it to me in writing?
Yes, I have.
You give it to me in writing and I'll also do something about it.
There is a big difference between micro and medium. And we want to control the raw material prices. Because as the cotton is the main consumption of spinning mills, it's controlled 40% by Cotton Corporation of India. The buying of the Indian cotton, it's about 40% the CCA buys. So every day the CCA increase the prices. So we want the CCA at least to maintain the prices for 15 days. 1 month is good, but at least they can maintain for 15 days now. Even the exporters are blaming the spinning mills. We are increasing price because the CCA is increasing the price on daily basis. Okay. So we need the control of the raw material because it's a government buying price. Already bought, which is bought only they are selling. They're buying and selling. The CCA buys the cotton the season and sells in the daily basis. So we want to control the prices on monthly basis. Okay. So this is the thing. Thank you. Thank you.
So the next, you want to ask that?
Last question is from Raj Kumar. He has got a memorandum to submit. I'll put the number. Give the memorandum. That's enough.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Rahulji. Like you have come from Delhi, I have come from Chennai for you.
Thank you.
I am not a single person talking to you. I am representing consortium of Indian associations, which is over 350,000 industries. What are we witnessing? I have been a 3.5 decade entrepreneur. What are we witnessing today in this country? We moved from Skill India, Digital India, Make in India, Atmanirbhar, and finally ended where? Fund India. What is Fund India? FDI. We are opening, asking others to give money into us. Where are we? I am sick to see the entrepreneurs surviving. Out of 7 crore entrepreneurs, MSMEs, 30% are almost dead.
Yeah.
What is 30%? 2.1 crore. That 2.1 crore gives jobs for almost 20 crore of people. We are not bothered. The ECGLS scheme came for 45 lakhs beneficiary out of 7.5 crores. Where are we? We are seeing only the balance 60% and saying green shoots. I am seeing shooting myself as an entrepreneur. How are we progressing? What answer will I give to my children? Today, entrepreneur, you ask them, we are facing 3 M problems. Money, manpower, material. Banks are chasing, NBFCs are chasing. We are not able to open a newspaper today. Every page has got only about auction sale notice, possession notice. Big people are getting shaved. We are being shaved. You are the only voice for us. Don't forget it. Micro industries, 98% in this country. 98% is the micro industries. Micro industries must have a separate ministry. We cannot be combined with 100 crore company turnover. I am talking micro as a self-employed people. We are losing them. Today the dream of a startup is shattered. Today we are seeing, we are not able to raise our voice. We are not able to express ourselves. We are not being heard. We are not being able to convey our pains. An entrepreneur can never ever cry openly. Remember that. If I cry openly, nobody will trust me. Nobody will give me business. No employee will stay with me. I don't hire people with just money. I hire people from my heart and love. I build this nation. I have built this nation for 35 years. Today I see wherever I go. I'm telling you, Mr. Rahul, I'm representing Consortium of Indian Association. People are painfully crying. Please raise it. Please speak for us. Thank you for coming to Coimbatore. Thank you for hearing me out. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So thank you very much for coming here. It was an honor and a pleasure for me to talk to you. I am absolutely convinced that without strengthening small and medium industry, we are not going to be successful as a country. So I am committed to supporting you, working with you, and raising your issues. I know we are not in government right now, but please do feel free to come to me. I can raise things even if I'm in opposition, and I will help you whether I'm in opposition or in government. But I believe that you are central to this country and the success of this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rahulji.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.